Welcome to another LSPDFR video tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install Compulite for LSPDFR. So click install. Gonna open that. Gonna open your GTA 5 main directory. Now I'm gonna find Rage Native UI.ll. Mine says 3/9/2024. That's when it was last updated. And this says it was last updated 2/17/2021. So you want the newest one. Mine's newest. If yours isn't, then you can go ahead and drag and drop that in. But you will need to drag and drop this plugins folder into your directory. And you have successfully installed Compulite. If you want realistic usable charges and stuff like that, you can go here. This is just an extra installation. You don't have to install this. I really recommend this one though. Download this file. Open your GTFI main directory. Open the file. Now you want to go into plugins, LSPDFR, 686 callouts. No. Sorry, Compulite. My bad. I'm losing it. All right, and then you want to replace the files on the destination. That will do that. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye.